Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to hang out with you guys a little bit today. So I just got a bunch of stuff on my desk. This is what I'm working on. I have a gift I wanted to share with you from one of my customers slash subscribers slash crafty friend, and a card also from one of my design team members. And I wanted to finish sharing the Sunny Studio. I had someone ask to show the rest because my video had cut off suddenly because my battery ran out. So I'm going to share just what was left, just a few items from the Sunny Studio release, and then some new CC designs. Let me share this one really quick. This is going to go quick. The little circles, the stitch circles in the large. So they got stitching. There's another one with stitching. This is the small and then the large. So it looks like these can fit in between the sizes on this large one. And then we've got the three here. One's got circles, half circles, and no circles. So those are three. And then the pendants, slimline pendants die, and they have stitching. There's two borders in here and a flag banner. So that's the Sunny Studio. I guess I can show the CC designs before I get into this. We've got a cute little Cupid girl. So these are perfect for Valentine's Day. We've got the cute little Swiss pixie holding a heart. And then a cute little ladybug one. And then a cute little puppy set. So we've got the little cat. It looks like a cat on top of the puppy here. And then two little puppies. Oh no, that's a kitty. And then a puppy snuggling up together. And then we've got some cupids. So that's really cute. And some unicorns. Sparkle all the way. So very, very cute from CC Designs. Check out this beautiful card. It is so, so gorgeous. I love looking at her coloring. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see all that detail. Paper pieced hat, and I just love the way she colors. It's so pretty. This is Christine from Workin' for Stamps on Instagram. It's WRKN4 as in the number 4 stamps on Instagram. And then I wanted to show this super cute packaging. I just had to share it because I thought this idea of stamping on the tissue paper was so cute. She used our Woodland Buddies stamp set to do that. So that was totally, totally cute. And I'm just gonna cut this open. This is from Bitty Penny on YouTube. So she's got a newer channel if you want to go over and follow her. So let's see what she sent. And she's got an Etsy shop. I'm going to list her Etsy shop in the description box so you can check it out. So you can find her Bitty Penny on YouTube, Etsy, Instagram, Bitty Penny. And let's see. Oh, these are cute. So here's some cards and items that she made. So cute. So this is the Woodland Buddies Hero Arts stamp set. The paper pads. The paper that she used, I believe, is from Cat Scrappiness. That paper pad is in the shop. It's a slimline stack. And this is so cute. Oh, look at that. She made a little notepad. And then she stamped out the cute little characters from the stamp set on each page. That is adorable. So that just tucks in. She's got a video on these. Let me read her card real quick. So she was our guest designer last month. So if you want to check out her DT videos, her link will be in the description box. Thank you for sending me this card and this gift. This is awesome. Wow, look at that. So she made the cover. Feels like fabric almost. It's like a fabric paper. This is very, very cool. So she sells stuff like this in her Etsy store. Oh, drink coffee, do good. I love that. So cute. So places to journal. And I love this. So little tags. So you can take these little tags out. Looks like she's got them paper clipped in there. Just a fun paper. Just love all these little details. Like, that's cute. Very nice. And she's got this bounded. Let's see where the middle is. Okay, with some seam binding. That's really cool. I like this. It's very nice, heavy duty. Very, very professional. Drink me. And there's so much detail. So little tags to write stuff. And put some pictures in here. There's a little envelope. Tuck something in there. This is very, very, very cool. Thank you for sending this to me. Love, love, love. So all kinds of areas to fill up very, very cool. Love this. And it's got coffee theme throughout this. So this is totally, totally my jam. Cool, this is at a recipe. Buttermilk pie. Cool. Looks like sister-in-law. Cool. That's awesome. So yes, I'm gonna look through this a lot closer off camera, but just wanted to show you guys how cool this is. I really, really like that. So that's from Biddy Penny and Christine. Thank you guys. It's always fun to get some happy mail. So I did want to show you what I'm working on. I'm working on this card here, and I had this idea. So this is the stamp set from our brand new release, and by the time I get this video up, it's probably going to be release day. So I am releasing all 3 stamp sets individually. So I also have that Valentine's Day box where you can get the whole release, and I have the stamps individually on the website right now. So there's this one, and then the sweets, the sprinkled with love. So what I'm going to do, I thought would be really cool, is to have tattoos on the hands here. So I have the little tattoo of a heart. I thought some kind of arm sleeves or a tattoo right here for the guy. And instead of drawing it in, you could totally like draw something, like especially if you know somebody that you want to give the card to and maybe they have a tattoo or something and you want to make it look like them. You could totally draw it in. But I thought something like this would make a great tattoo. This is our You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice stamp set from our fall release. And I'm just going to take this stamp and just stamp out the ends here. So I think I'm going to do this side like that. Yeah, that's going to be cool. Let's see how that looks. So we'll get out my Misty. And we'll create a little mask. All I need is a piece of paper or my Post-it notes. And I'm just going to mask off the edge here. Okay, so then we can get that part onto the arm. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my Memento ink. See, that looks like a tattoo. That's so cool. That is so cool. So I'm just gonna put some color on that. Yeah, I totally like that. Do dark purple. I think that's a cool idea. So I'm gonna finish the card with this. This would be really cool, framed out in a heart. Not sure if I have a heart die. So I cut my hands out, and you know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna wait till the paper pads come in. They're supposed to come in on Monday, and I'm gonna use the paper designer paper and have the hands in front of the paper, the pretty designs, and come up with something like that. So that's gonna look really cute. So I'm gonna finish this video when the paper comes in. Guess what just arrived? The paper pads. So I could do a quick flip through for you. Today's the release day. We have these 2 paper pads, 3 stamp sets, some ephemera and stickers. And so this is the My Sweet Valentine. This one you get 24 double-sided sheets, 4 of each design, and they are 6x6 paper pads. So we've got 4 of each design here. And this one with the little hearts in the background and the doves. And then on the back, we've got this geometric design here with a touch of glitter. And this is faux glitter. It's not real glitter, so don't have to worry about it coming off onto your hands. So we've got this glittery sheet on with pink. You can see there's little stars in there. And then this pretty design on the back. And this pretty much matches our ephemera packs. Then we've got the pretty design with the cupcakes and the bows. And then on the back, we've got this design here. And then this one here with the touch of glitter splashed in there. And then the bows on the back. We've got the soft blue background with the little table set here. And then on the back, we've got the polka dots or the circles with a touch of glitter. And then the last one here is this darker pink, almost like a red, with the cupcakes, bows. And then on the back, we've got the plaid. So super, super pretty, super fun. So this stack is going to be mine. So I can't wait to make some cards with that. And then we've got the frosted and tufted. Now this one has 24 double-sided sheets, but 2 of each design. So I love this tufted look. It's so cute. And then we've got the frosting on the top. So I could see using this for birthday cards, Valentine's Day, just lots of ideas. So there's 2. So you get more designs in this one, but less of each design. And then these are little tiny little hearts. They almost look like polka dots. And then there's the pink, and this side is gray. And then this has some glitter up there, sprinkles. Looks very, very yummy. We've got pink polka dots. Chocolate with glitter, and this is like chocolate brown. Those are the tiny little hearts. We've got the gray, and then this brown polka dotted sheet. Now those are polka dots. And then a pink one with the gold glitter. And these are tiny little hearts. And then this one with the pink on the back. We've got some chocolate sprinkled frosting on this one. And a chocolate piece of paper on the back. Pink and gold for this one, and then the pink paper on the back. And then we've got pink. So these 2 are the same, but you get different backgrounds. So very, very cute. So can't wait to make some cards with this paper. So thanks guys for stopping by. Check out the new release. I'll have the link down below. I still have some boxes left. If you want to purchase the whole release, you get, I think it's like a 15% discount if you purchase the whole box. Otherwise, you can use Jamie for 10% off if you're buying the individual items. That coupon code is not valid on the box. You cannot use the coupon on the box, or the box is already calculated with the discount. So I will have the links down below for you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you real soon. Bye guys.